What's up, motherfuckers? I just want to show you this cool motherfucking thing before I get back into the tutorials and stuff. I got one that's halfway done right now. I just wanted to take a little bit of a break from it. But yeah, let's look at this motherfucking shit. Come on. I just wanted to kind of show off my game. You could say this is kind of a devlog. Okay, so it's full screen right now. Let's load this bitch. Oh damn! He's spawning like motherfucking crazy! Oh shit! Shoot his ass! Shoot his ass! No! No! But yeah, as you can see, it's lagging out like a motherfucker. But that's just because I made a little spawner. It's fucking sweet, man. Yeah, I said it's wait time to 0. 0.1. That's just a little timer I have for it. Let's set it to something more reasonable, like maybe 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds, it spawns a dude. Let's see. Load. That's bad. See, look, spawning a dude. And let's wait about 10 seconds. Alright, need to kill these motherfuckers. Boom, motherfucker. Isn't that cool? It's motherfucking sweet. Hell yeah. So I got these little jumping pads that go boom. It just like launches you in the air. I made a little key thing. So it's like, and then it spawns a dude. Doesn't really spawn him, it teleports him. And yeah, it's cool. Yeah, the jumping things are a little bit glitchy still, but it's really motherfucking cool. I'm loving it. I'm loving it so much. It's like McDonald's up in here. Boom. Oh damn. Whoa. See? Yeah. Yeah, you can call this a little devlog, as I could say. So it's just like my level so far. I just wanted to like show it while it's still in production a little bit. But it's definitely not complete. But this is kind of like the look and feel of it. It's motherfucking sweet. Hell yeah. If you guys are wondering about the code, I'll just walk you right through it. Basically, I just like have a little array of monsters that you pass in. So just like some little file paths. And then I'm going to pass in a dictionary of signals. And yeah, and I just have this thing called timer stuff. Which, yeah, it basically just like as a bunch of stuff for the timer. Just so it doesn't take a bunch of like space right here, you know. So I could just like, you know, knock it down like that. See, only 3 spaces. And yeah. So basically, this just contains stuff that's just like, you know, if I want to use the timer in the first place. And then there's a little auto start, one shot, wait time, all you know, all the timer stuff. And this is which monster you want to use with the timer. And yeah. So basically it just right when it starts off, I just make a mesh instance and then I just queue it free. And then I sort out the monsters, and then I just like I don't need this print anymore, and I don't need this print anymore either. But yeah, okay. So here's probably something you shouldn't do. I'm just using binary search. I mean, you could use binary search, but I changed the source code a little bit. I'll just show you exactly what I did. So basically, I just said if low. Let me see. I'll like zoom in on that. So if low equals to this, so this is basically saying, because basically if low is if something's not found within the array, then it'll just like have low be equal to the size of the array, and yeah. So instead, I like to just return as -1. But in your code, you would just test if right here, if this part. Let me zoom in on this. If this part is the size of the array, so basically it'd just be like let's say monsters dot size. I cannot type right now. Yeah, just like that, something like that. Yeah. But let me see. Okay, so this is all zoomed in. Okay. But yeah, that's basically why I'm storing it right here. I'm just storing it just so I could use binary search later. It'll have a little bit more of a loading thing, but it doesn't matter. And that's just in case you have like tons of monsters that you want to load. Let's say if you want all the monsters in the game, then let's say you have about 100 or so. Then this will help speed things up. But yeah, it's not really necessary though. But yeah, here's how I'm using the timer. So it's just like use. And if I accidentally change this, then it'll just give me a little error. It says maybe turn it back to user or something. I don't know. And this is just how I make the timer and stuff. I just make a new timer, add as a child. Set the auto start to auto start. For some reason, there's a glitch where it would not auto start. I'm not sure why, but yeah, I just set the timer dot start right here, and then I go timer dot one shot is equal to that. Timer dot wait time is equal to that, and then timer dot monster. I already do a binary search right here, so I just say monsters dot b search timer stuff monster, and if it's found, then it won't be -1. But yeah, and then we'd say we connect the timer to the timeout signal to the timer spawn. And right here, I just make an array. This is going to be right here. And then I'm just going to load them all into this array basically. And right here, we have signal. We just collect all signals and just connect them to our specified function. So let's say if we have multiple different types of spawn functions and the person who's using it knows it, then they could just pass in the function they want to connect to. Yeah, seems kind of useful. I'm not really sure. That part of the class is not tested yet. I've only tested it with the timer. But yeah, this is just if you just want a timer spawn basically. So I just have a little spawn, and then I have a timer spawn. And basically what the timer spawn does is just since we got index right here, that's what bsearch returns, the index of the array. Then I just pass in the string that goes into here. So that's the string of the monster we want. In that case, it was what I call the meat goblin. And then we just get the spot of that monster. Check if it's whatever our value is, which would be size for you guys, but -1 for me. Usually equal to size. What's it called? And then we print that we could not find that monster in the array. So then you would just return out the function. And right here, this is in case we want to add some more, I'll add return right here too. And right here we have we get the node is equal to monster scenes that spot instance. So we instance the scene, add it as a child, and if the node has global transform, then we give it the global transform of the spawner. I don't know why it wouldn't have global transform. Pretty much everything you're gonna want to spawn is gonna be a spatial, but just in case, I just add that shit. I don't think you're gonna need it though. But yeah, that's basically how this class works though. And let's see in action again. I could probably set the timer to something lower, which would be terrible for a game, but good for just showcasing it. Say 1 second instead of 0.1, so it doesn't lag out. Boom, 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 boom. See, they're all getting affected by the trampoline as well. But boom, boom, yeah, damn. Okay. But yeah, that's basically what's happening. I just wanted to show off the code just so, just in case people ask. Also, the code is kind of shitty, so this is not really tested too much, honestly. So be careful with using this.